Ever wondered how the mining industry operates on such a large scale, extracting valuable minerals from deep within the earth? Let's talk about a critical player in this process, HEMM, or heavy earth moving machinery. These are the behemoths of the mining world, the giants that make large-scale operations possible. Without HEMM, extracting immense amounts of mineral resources from the Earth's crust would be unimaginably challenging. HEMM is not just about size and power, though. It's also about safety and efficiency. Modern HEMM is designed to create a safer environment for miners, reducing the risk of accidents and injuries. It's also about making the process more efficient, allowing for the extraction of more minerals in less time. So, whether it's digging up vast amounts of coal or unearthing precious gems, HEMM plays an indispensable role in the mining industry. Without HEMM, the mining industry as we know it would be a completely different landscape. Now that we know the importance of HEMM in the mining industry, let's delve into what HEMM actually is. HEMM, or heavy earth moving machinery, is a term that encompasses a variety of machines that are used to move or remove large amounts of earth or rock. These machines are a critical element in the mining industry, where they are used to extract valuable resources from the earth. Let's start with the bulldozer. It's a powerful machine, with a broad, flat blade attached to the front that is used to push material around. It can clear land, level ground, and even create roads. Next, we have the excavator. This machine is perhaps best known for its long arm and bucket, which it uses to dig into the earth. It can remove soil, rock, and other materials, making it invaluable in both mining and construction. Then there's the dump truck. This vehicle is designed to transport loose material such as sand, gravel, or dirt for construction. But in the mining industry, it's often used to carry extracted ore or waste material away from the mining site. Loaders, on the other hand, are used to load material onto other machinery or vehicles. They have large buckets, which are capable of scooping up large quantities of material quickly and efficiently. Last but not least, we have drills. These machines are used to create holes in the earth, often for the purpose of extracting minerals or to prepare for blasting operations. Each of these machines is designed to handle large amounts of earth and rock, making them indispensable in the mining industry. They allow mining operations to be carried out more efficiently and effectively, enabling us to extract valuable resources from the earth that we use in our everyday lives. So HEMM is the backbone of the mining industry, enabling the extraction of valuable resources from the earth. Now that we have an understanding of what HEMM is, we can explore how it is used in the mining industry. Heavy earth moving machineries, or HEMM, are the backbone of the mining industry, playing a crucial role in various operations. Let's delve into how they are utilized in the field. Firstly, excavation is a key part of mining, and this is where HEMM shines. With machines like hydraulic shovels and backhoes, mining companies can dig and remove large amounts of earth and rock much faster than traditional methods, increasing efficiency. Loading is another area where HEMM holds sway. Loading the excavated material onto transportation vehicles is made easier and safer with the use of loaders and dump trucks. This swift process saves valuable time and resources. Speaking of transportation, moving the excavated material is another operation where HEMM plays a vital role. The use of large dump trucks and haul trucks ensures the safe and efficient transport of materials from the excavation site to the processing plant. Lastly, drilling, a fundamental operation in mining, has been revolutionized by HEMM. With powerful drilling machines, mining companies can create precise and deep holes for blasting or for extracting mineral samples. The use of HEMM not only increases efficiency and safety, but also boosts productivity. The ability to perform large-scale operations with precision and speed is what makes HEMM indispensable in the mining industry. HEMM, with its diverse applications, truly revolutionizes the mining industry. Let's quickly review the key points we've discussed today. HEMM, or heavy earth moving machinery, is a crucial component in the mining industry, enhancing both safety and efficiency. It's a broad term that encompasses various types of machinery, each with its own unique purpose. These machines are used to excavate, transport, and process minerals, fundamentally transforming the mining process. The mining industry owes a lot to HEMM, a game changer that has improved efficiency, safety, and productivity.